Hello everyone, I'm Swati Sharma from Department of Management Studies. Today's topic for discussion is Niti Aayog. So, what is Niti Aayog? Before we get into the definition and the main introduction of Niti Aayog, just I want to tell you about the history of Niti Aayog. On 29th May 2014, Independent Evaluation Office submitted an assessment report to PM Narendra Modi with the recommendation to replace the Planning Commission with the Control Commission. On 13th of August, the Union Cabinet scrapped the Planning Commission to be replaced with a diluted version of the National Advisory Council of India. Then on 2015, a cabinet resolution was passed to replace the Planning Commission with the newly formed Niti Aayog. So, Union government basically announced the formation of Niti Aayog on 1st of January 2015, and the first meeting of Niti Aayog was chaired by Narendra Modi himself. And the finance minister, late Arun Jaitley, made the following observation on the necessity of creating Niti Aayog. Like the 65-year-old Planning Commission had become a redundant organization. It was relevant in a command economy structure, but not any longer. So India is a diversified country, and its states are in various phases of economic development along with their own strengths and weaknesses. So in this context, a one-size-fits-all approach to economic planning is obsolete, and it cannot make India competitive in today's global economy. So it is a reformation scheme of the day-to-day lifestyles of the people of India. So basically, Niti Aayog was established in 2015 and to replace the Planning Commission, like which was already followed by the top-down model. So Niti Aayog Council comprises all the state chief ministers along with the chief ministers of Delhi and Pondicherry and the governor of Andaman and Nicobar Island, and obviously the vice chairman nominated by the prime minister himself. So now we come to the definition part. The National Institution for Transforming India, also called Niti Aayog, established on January 1, 2015. It is the premier policy think tank of the Government of India, providing both directional and policy inputs while designing strategic and long-term policies and programs for the Government of India. Niti Aayog also provides relevant technical advice to the center and states. So, what are the features of Niti Aayog? Niti Aayog is developing itself as a state-of-the-art resource center with the necessary resources, knowledge, and skills that will enable it to act with speed, promote research and innovation, provide strategic policy vision for the government, and deal with the contingent issues. The four major or main heads of Niti Aayog is this, like design policy and program framework, foster cooperative federalism, monitoring evaluation, and fourth one is think tank and knowledge and innovation hub. What are the objectives of Niti Aayog? First objective is to secure the cooperation of the states in the execution of the plan. Then to strengthen and mobilize the effort and resources of the nation in support of the plan. To promote common economic policies in all the spheres, to ensure the balanced and rapid development in all parts of the country, to provide social amenities like education, medical care, social services, etc., to improve in living standard of the people, to increase in per capita income. There are other objectives of Niti Aayog also there, like to develop mechanism to formulate credible plans at the village level and aggregate these progressively at higher levels of the government, right, to ensure on areas that are specifically referred to it that the interest of national security are incorporated in economic strategy and policy, to pay special attention to the sections of our society that may be at risk of not benefiting adequately from economic progress, to provide advice and encourage partnerships between key stakeholders and national and international like minded think tanks, as well as the educational and policy research institutions. Also, to offer a platform for resolution of intersectoral and interdepartmental issues in order to accelerate the implementation of the development agenda. To actively monitor, evaluate the implementation of programs and initiatives, including the identification of the needed resources, so as to strengthen the probability of success and scope of delivery. So, these are some of the objectives of NITI Aayog. Now, when we come to the functions of NITI Aayog, basically it tells to describe the guidelines of the for the formulation of national plan, to make an assessment of the resources that are required for implementing the plan, to consider important questions of social and economic policy affecting national development, to review the working of the plan from time to time and to recommend such measures as are necessary for achieving the aims and targets set out in the national plan, to recommend measures for achievement of the aims and targets set out in the national plan. So these are some of the objectives and functions of NITI Aayog. So when we talk about the members of NITI Aayog, so the Prime Minister as the chairperson, and the governing council composed of chief ministers of all the states and union territories, then regional councils composed of chief ministers of states and lieutenant governors of union territories in the region to address specific issues and the contingencies impacting more than one state or a region. And obviously the full-time organizational framework composed of like vice chairperson, four full-time members, two part-time members from leading university and the research organizations, and chief executive officers who look after the administration and secretariat part. So if we talk about the current vice chairman, Rajiv Kumar is the current vice chairman of NITI Aayog, and ex-officiate member are Amit Shah, Rajnath Singh, Nirmala Sitharaman, and Narendra Singh Tomar. Full-time members are also there. Some DRDO members, agricultural expert or public health experts are there. CEO and governing council members are also there. So this is all about NITI Aayog. So thank you for this topic.